Yes, my people, yes. Boy, may I tell you something up on the road from early in the morning up in the shooting. It's kind of stressful, but yeah, at least I get two of them movie finished and I have mine complete. I think it's complete. Well, I don't know unless I edit it, but anyway, still, the big moment I want to say, I have my big announcement to make. I don't have no service, so if you're contacting me now, today is what, the 21? If you're contacting me now and I did not reply, that means there. Don't know something I have no service. But anyway, you might see this the 22, the 23, the 24, I don't know when it will done, but today is the 21, so roughly maybe about 35 minutes into the movie. So anyway. It will finish, but me don't know how long. Depends on the people then. But a big announcement to make. Happy birthday to the wonderful person in my life, Cynthia Reed. Have a wonderful birthday and I wish you many, many more years to come and I can't wait to take a vacation soon. But the problem is now, there's no service. So anybody is calling me on WhatsApp, I'm sorry if I miss your call. I will do call you back when I have the service. So if you even see one stick, this bush and this place don't really have no service. But anyway, back to Perfect Man. Please tune in and remember, say when we get 20,000 K, one flat screen, I don't know who will get it. The 14 parish, but who will get it? And it's gonna be easy for you to win the TV. Anywhere or in the island. Courts or anybody where I'm gonna get it through will deliver it to you, or you would have to go to there to pick it up. So please remember, share, like, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Well, no, man. You can't say that, man. Yo, listen to me, Bridget. Me tell us every now. We don't find no need to go there. It have to go wait. Can't wait. But, right, you come like you don't understand the situation with me right now. It's kind of rough. I know that I don't really want it to happen. Because if it happen, hell broke loose.
Jay, what go on?
Hold on, we soon talk to you and I'm looking for a pass too. Well, man, come on, talk soon, what you say now?
Long time I not see you good.
Well, yeah, so far. Just take a walk from the yard, you know?
Anyways, you know, like more say if it ask all for something.
What kind of, what are you talking about?
Listen, I don't want you to say me I know what's in your business or anything like that, you know. But what you do make you get the money? What you do?
No, I don't understand. Come clean. What you try to say?
Every minute.
Stand up like that so we can hear you good because you come like when you talk, you go over there so because the breeze are blowing over there so. We are saying now.
Let me tell you this, you can't fool anybody else, no, but you can't fool me.
No, yo, right now you're trying to let go around my meds. I mean, I understand that. You can't go around my meds so. You ask me a simple question. I tell you already, you get a contract and the contract value how much $1 million. And I hit. I mean, have some put on a reserve to do business.
That's a lie. That's a lie. Every minute you talk about this contract every minute. You're not working. So it's contract you talk. You're not working.
So
don't tell no lie. You're not working.
No, let me ask you a question now. If me had the contract, me have to work? I get workers and workers work for me.
You know what I'm saying, lad? Because you know nobody will see a work for you. Or nobody at the round here see them a work for you. You pour them money and this and that. Nothing like that. If I did something like that, you would have spread my community already.
Yeah, but you know really. Yeah, what I said. Take your time. When we talk to you another time. You can't talk right now. I'm going to have a phone and deal with some business. So, check me back. It's either tomorrow or the next day. Check me back tomorrow.
You know, so anytime I'm guilty, I was trying
no,
to
No, this is what I'm trying for real. Check back tomorrow. I'll tell you the story. Don't worry. No, I'll link you for the contract. You say you want contract. Check back tomorrow.
Alright.
Yeah. Yo, we think we're going to have a bad situation. We need a solution. Alright, I'm going to shout you up, but I take time to walk down my yard. Alright.
Yes, my dear. Yes. You man, if anything you call me, man. No afraid to call me, man. Yes, man. Yeah, man. Hey. Yes, man.
Tracy!
Yes.
Tracy!
Yes. Hold on there.
Oh my God. Yeah, you look so. I can remember me.
No.
You remember me? You look good turn up over J yard. And me.
Oh, Mel.
Yes, I'm the same one. Why? Long time I not see you.
That true still, but true. Me move out of the area about 13 years now.
To me and you know, you say Jay have money now. Big house, big mansion. A rich man that in town.
Come closer. Me not hear you properly.
Me I tell you, say, Jay a millionaire. You have money. Every day you keep party to, you know. And you know, look at simple party. Big party, artists come. All Nicki Minaj, play artists overseas. And if you can't touch money, see them? The money not show up with money. A rich man.
You know, so for once, me can't believe one word will come out of your mouth. Come clean.
To me, I'm not going to tell you again. Right now, I'm a brown girl in my live, but I can't get exact direction and the location when you come going live right now.
Well, I don't like say me want but Jay still in a but you can WhatsApp it to my phone. I go give you my phone and you put your number in it and take my number.
So I 355-2652. That's my number. Remember now, you never hear from me, I get nothing from me. So if you tell him, a big destruction will come around.
No worry your head. Trod along. Me not go tell him. Him can't hear that from me.
Alright. Nice see you again still. Alright. Yeah.
Good morning, is Jay home?
In a day here, but I don't know.
Alright, he's not home. This is his daughter.
Daughter. Oh, Jane no daughter.
Daughter won't tell you.
No man, come in, come over see, come in and understand this. No man, this is news to me. A month had me and Jay there. And Jay not tell me say have a daughter. And now daughter come here, you come tell me say Jay have daughter. Me not understand that.
Well, let me tell you the truth. You see, when me and Jay get she, Jay abandon she.
But me think Jay this perfect man. Him not abandon Pitney. The Jay when me know not abandon him child because him too nice. How him treat me, him wouldn't abandon to a girl child.
Well, let me ask you something. Are you a boyfriend?
Yes, I'm a man.
Anyway, you have to go take care of my daughter. Jay now have money and buy house and something, so you have to take care of her too.
Look here, me not have a problem with that, you know. But when Jay come, him have a big explanation for do. Cause me not understand how you just pop up here with she. She about how much? She look like she about 12. Right? And you tell me say all these years, where she there? How you not contact him? How you just come here now with she? Me not understand that. Someone think come explain himself. Cause me not understand this.
Alright, call him then if you don't believe me.
Let me call him. Yeah. Come on yard right now, cause somebody there want to meet you. When you come here, we see. Hurry up and come.
Tracy?
Yeah man, Tracy, you frightened?
I know I'm frightened, you know, but you don't understand. How long you gone and I don't see you? Over 13 years now. And I know me just see you. Why?
Eh? So you know her then? And then like she a tell, after your picnic for true.
Pitney? Which Pitney? You? No, I don't understand this. I don't understand this. When we know it, Tracy never pregnant, so how come now you up here up with a child? I never ready for no child now.
Back then you couldn't take care of a child, but now you have big house you now.
Oh boy. Where's her? She can't stand there?
If baby can stay you know. But me not understand. So true, him have big house now. You running care picnic come. How you know say after your daughter?
Well, anything possible, I'm not sure. Anything is possible. But me know her, long time was true, me never know she is gone. So anything is possible. You can't blame me. You know me abandon my child. Look at girl how much?
12.
So all at 12 years, yeah, I demand picnic from him. And now since him get big house, you want to run, come care picnic, come give him. Eh?
No, it's more than 12 years. It's 13 years. She had 12. So at least in that belly for 9 months.
Listen, if you want to keep her, you can keep her. But me not understand this all now. Why she doesn't contact you as you come up the house? Eh? Why she never contact you when you suffer?
Well, I know. But the one important question I want to know, how you find me here, sir?
You wonder how me find you? Literally, you can't hide Jay. Me always see you. You wonder how me find you.
So me ask you a question. Now you can come, you go help mine out to cause a 50-50, you know. Any situation a 50-50. My woman there, she need money otherwise and that, and the little money we have left, we have to start a business with it. So if you can't, she come here left her, you have to make sure she have manners, you have to make sure she don't use the current too much, kind of pick the love up and gadget and if I charge a whole day.
Check up 50-50 in a 13 years and tell me how much you get.
Alright, you win because that me don't know what you buy, so we can put it apart. So me I will take care of it. Just 13 years, 12 years, no, we can't do that. Me alone 12 years. Then the time they are 20, no, oh, me have 6 years left, no worry. She welcome. She welcome. When you're 18, you through me door. Through me door. Take up your bag, go out and talk to your mother. How much she have manners?
Yes.
Okay, good. So, my princess, you know, she take me and wash me out.
At least she find something in you, but them the time that you never want work.
You know what? Let me left it to on make it catch up. Because just a chip in my brain. Me not take care of no picnic. The headache, no privacy. Me don't even know if she have manners. You know what you talk to her, me gone in this one.
Why you come now? Why no? After so much years. I'm ruining my life though.
12 years straight, and me alone. And you only have 6 years and you are complaining?
I don't really complain. I struggle when I go through with them, especially when a girl pick me. I couldn't get one boy pick me. One boy pick me, I have to fret, I can't sleep at night. Girl picking you have to open up your two eye them. You have to make sure the window they lock properly, from top to bottom. You don't know how they turn. You can't even lock them up in the house again through grill because they have a way how to get through the grill.
And on my seed, you know, and you plant your own seed. See blossom there.
Me understand. I'm my fault still. I'm my fault. I mean, me be the wrong fruit tree. But anyway, still good.
Joey, come here. Want to talk to me daughter there? Anyway, me glad you understand everything when I say. So, I want to talk to my daughter. Give me a little privacy there. Joey?
Let me see your sister. Look at girl, man, I call you.
Yes, ma'am.
My daughter, I want you to keep a clean eye. Sabotage everything where you can sabotage. No make that girl have a restful life. You hear me?
Why I say that, mommy?
Well, you see your father, him did too selfish. If I even fit throw salt in the water, make them drink it. Because me, I feel raise it alone. Him did way too selfish, that's why I did have to leave.
Alright, mommy, me do what you say. I hope you get a good result.
Oh boy. Let them go and talk. Never expect it. Never someone expect.
Me not expect this neither. Because you never tell me say our child.
If you didn't know me about child, I would tell that. Me and the man used to live together, yes, but she never want to work. She never want to do nothing for myself. So me did have to send her away. Me not live so.
So, yeah, she do that and you come in a her make you have a child.
Well, obviously she live with me. Me have plant wrong. I'm going to plant wrong. The look time me there for 1 month I had me no plant wrong. But me never produce because I'm not time to produce. So when you see sometime in life, you know, it kind of frustrates because first of all, look for my complexion to fear complexion.
Exactly, the tone broad.
But no, but sometimes, you know, when 4 ladies and I want man go there sometime, you know, so at the end, and you look at 2 different, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different color. Anything can be possible, it could have ball white and for me same way because maybe the protein and this little sperm they just, woo, you know. But
Yes.
happiness still.
You know some love you. Me not be disrespectful, but she not look nothing like you. She not have your height, she not have nothing.
No, but you have to get it from me, and next man can go there go water the head and the favor the next man, and I still feel me. You never know that 2 men can breed one time.
Yeah.
You never know that.
But me not feel like say.
Anytime you see a twin, and then a look-alike twin, are 2 different men own that they pick there.
So you're confident you feel you never take her in your house and even know her like that?
What you do? It's your mind, anything they say I feel.
Well, the room neither she can stay in there. But you know say me not trust her. I mean you not expect me to talk up to her, right?
No, listen. I know I stepdaughter until me find out if I'm feeling with me or not. But if me know that me and I did there in the space of time and when they use no rubbers, when man use rubbers then we always get chopped. You could have worse.
So what you want to do now? Be cook for her and do everything what her mother supposed to do for her?
Yeah, you will make your, then when they get to your picking now, you know how to handle your picking. Remember I said, so you're going to love you, go over like food to me. You have to take it.
I'm hungry. From man, you just out here talk to her, say they will care about me, they will ask me.
Hey. Are you first? Me come see her talk to her. Me not to know how she find her. You know love me not see her. Till her she turn rasta. I can't tell the last to put me here upon her. Fast she moved. The very first day she moved, I don't see back me here until today. That's why I'm so shocked, so surprised to see her.
And you welcome her with your open arms, though.
Well, yeah, you don't want that happen to you too. You imagine you're pregnant for 12 years and you're here so your baby father rich now. You're not going to let go to my burden for him too.
If her story not add up, because if she said she did pregnant, why she never find you? Why as you get money so she won't find you? You think about that?
No, I saw some woman tell me, so the man down, then I will try to find the man. But you see the man up there, at that time you see courthouse and you see police and soldiers come pick down the door with people and say send the gas courthouse. But sometimes you don't mind, because you see some woman smart, they don't care man go to courthouse, now guess what? You only carry with the money pile up, because if you carry them now, you only have it on 3,000 a week. You wait till the money sum up one big amount of money. You see any little thing a man buy for your picking, you put on the receipt there, and when you carry go to courthouse, you get back all of the money there. And then knowledge about the man. First of all, the knowledge about the man when they lock him up, you know.
Oh, I say.
Until you pay, yeah, I say no. But some woman not smart. They don't carry the man to quick to a courthouse.
Oh, so she could have locked you up for the 12 years.
Yeah, and she did smart have all I receipt them would have paid all of the money there.
Okay.
But you know, just run look at one man, so I want a courthouse here, I will call it. Can you now get enough? Every man give 1 4 or 5 grand, keep it. Take it, if I that man give a week. But you see, if a man pay like $1,000 a week, you can carry a courthouse. But if man give 4 or 5, low it, not carry, because if you carry him, he might pay 3 grand or 2.5. Because you tell the last thing now, you know that much.
But because me not understand, we are going to have picnic and then we break up. It don't make no sense. If me and my child know, me don't want to live you, or me don't want you to live me.
What's the last one?
Alright. I'll be on my way. Tell your father, say, may I leave now. And remember now, you know, sabotage in every way. And don't get caught when you're sabotage. You hear me, daughter?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright.
See my call. Let's calm yourself, man.
How are you chat when she come from?
Listen to me, little girl. Now rent yourself in my own house. Me not know time to chat to your mother, you know. Your mother just appear out of the scene. I don't know which part of the movie or which part out of the land she come from, but she reach ya. So if me feel like one chat to your mother my mouth, I feel me building. And you see, once you under this roof here, you go be yourself. And you see, me salt not eat enough. Don't eat no nice salt, eat the food fresh. Because they always say when girls eat too much salt, they're ripe. So no eat no salt in here. Lock away salt, you hear me I say?
Salt. I first me I hear that. You never know so when girls eat salt they ripe.
You don't know that?
What do you mean by salt, daddy? What salt can do?
Listen me, no ask what salt can do. All me tell I say do not eat up the salt. Especially for plum, especially for mango, especially for you know how to put salt on everything. Salt no good for you. Just eat everything fresh. The fresher your food, I better for you. And the fast food, do not follow them junk food because they're ripe for you too. Anyway, she and your mother feel no. To the 6-year right over there, she and your mother. Anything you say, mommy or mommy.
And first thing first, is when you come to this house, you make sure so you keep it clean. You don't leave any dirty dishes in the sink. You make sure so you bathe 3 times a day. You understand? And don't come in the bed, don't sleep in the bed with no dirty food. You understand me? You must say yes mom or yes miss.
Say mommy, just say mommy. You see, we don't think she will live like too long, you know.
And her mother said she grew up with principle.
Look girl, how are you about? You know, go on sir.
She really need a father figure in her life.
No, this is a father figure you will turn up in her insurance. Because right now, I plan to go down the road and buy one machine and file it. Well sharp, because the boy now come consider for my veranda.
Exactly, you have to watch her because she have her breast and put out already and something.
I got your food. Now, go on the road. Take care of my kids, sister, yeah?
Alright. Hello, little girl. Come here. Not true, I have father place this. You come walk in and see me asleep. You at least can do something in our house. We notice say you wash the plate them. You can't go set it, arrange the set tea them or clean up the table. You drink tea this man, you have to cup right here. So where you take me from here?
First of all, you say me to call your mommy. And me a try to call your mommy because it's hard. You claim to say me fi call your mother, so you fi take care of everything in the house.
Go and go sit down. Where you take me from? I'm calling Papa and tell him how you're going. Right? Come you know where you take me from here? You don't have no manners, little girl. No upbringing, nothing. Hello, babes. You try to come talk to your daughter, you know, because she not going with at all. Yes, hurry up and come. When you come, me make you know. Bright and feisty. You don't know how your mother grow you, you know. But you see me, me I want woman a ramp, especially with picnic. Right now.
Oh boy. But as I tell you before, nothing not going on there, so I life me there, I live. No man, me not even work right now. I want work more once. I don't eat for money, you know. You feel like joke me and make come. Right now, I don't want much to sit down. No, so you know, say yesterday, I see one day him. Yeah, me had the ask about the contract. Say, come get the contract. Well, I want to work, you know. A long time, I was with money. And I tell me, so go home, still let me know, still let me know. But doing no J can. J now can want to stop now. Plus, see, I know road when I like, yes, sir. No, sir. In there, one girl now, you know, I'm brown, you know. If I still know, you could have believed, see, I hear, man. Yeah.
What going on?
Speaking of him, see me, hold on, I'm so clever. What going, Jay? What going?
What? Problem, man.
What to you?
You know, say yesterday when you talked to me on period, right? Me, the problem we are walk up and get a car. Browning car me.
Say what?
So somebody don't want to see me. Let me go down there. You remember Chasey?
Tracy. Which Tracy that?
When we used to live over the boardhouse and when we
Oh,
used to
the time
work
brown
on
Rasta lady.
yeah, when I look at me.
How long time did I see her? How she do?
She not come back with a 12-year-old say my daughter. You laugh.
I joke you, Baker.
Why?
See you sure you have your picnic?
Everything's half in me.
But you know, the woman lie overall.
But why, bro, you know, really like that still.
More like that still if made in a relationship.
No, but we don't have to understand. The past is the past. So if we even have 1,000 people I don't know about at the past that, you can't.
Oh, so say who are in?
No, I just show you an example. You can't focus on the past. If you focus on the past, it will hurt you. And it will haunt you.
But you know, see, and again and again. You know, step picnic like your stepmother.
No, not every people. You listen, respect goes where it come from. You see, as long as the people have respect, the mother will treat, the stepmother will treat them good. You see, if we don't have manners, then they get bad treatment.
But
Because
again,
me, you know, if you take up a woman and the pick them at this, me, I know that me I spend my money. Me I cut out the spending.
yeah, but you know, say picnic like them, you go to their mother and say, stepmother do this and stepmother that. While stepmother do not more than a treat her good. And you might go believe the picnic too.
Yeah, in our way, because, you know, say sometimes when you pick them at some story, you have to believe, but sometimes you don't believe. Because listen, the last time, remember, say, my auntie, you know, when he did have his 2 daughters, them there, you know, and he take up man in the yard, you know. The man did molest them, you know.
Alive.
Every time the daughter go to the mother curse them and run them, so not go to because the man have finance.
Yeah, that's true story.
Then come to me and talk to me, I understand, and I say, listen to me, if your mother can't believe you, I don't see why I would believe you, but the only thing you can tell her is, put a phone for the dresser or anywhere in our car and put it for a record. And when you molest you, you just play along. Because And that's all you can give the proof. And I don't know. The world just sick.
So true. So what about the contract now?
No, listen to me. We don't come talk about no contract. We come talk about my problem with my stepdaughter appearing and
Your stepdaughter don't think you see your daughter.
my daughter. Alright, my boss, everything good? Yeah.
Think you see your daughter.
No, you don't understand, man. Listen, man. I'm my daughter, but you know me, I said, man, you can't do it. It's on man.
So, I can ask one question. How you like being a new dad?
Oh boy, you know, I'm not used to this. I'm the first time and I don't think say being a dad going make me have money. Well,
But if you stay with your mother all the time, do it don't.
if you did it every 12 years, you can do it if you want another 6 years.
Oh, so you don't be a part of your child life.
We never say that.
True word.
We never say that. Anyway, never leave.
So tell me about the contract now.
Now, we soon tell about that. No, me I go back.
Why every time you always run from me?
No, just relax, man. You know, you are rich.
Why would you want to reach in a serious
Alright, so just humble can't suck him out, man. Me I go down the road and then go on my yard. So humble can't suck him out, man. Just relax, man.
Why they come by with your style, you know?
Just relax, man. Oh, look patient because right now worries down on my yard. Browning call me right now. Say we talk to you. Later.
Alright, come call back, Anna.
Oh boy. What happened now?
Yes, make like they come. This little girl have no manners, no upbringing, nothing about her. Me a sweep out the place. She walk right inside of the place, right? This morning she make her breakfast and me fry one egg in her. And right in the sink, the girl left the plate, you know? Right? And come and talk about how she had tried call me mother, but it now work. Huh?
Joey, come here. Come to me. Let me ask you a question. Think you're another size? Eh? You think you are another size? You think you and she in the same bracket? You think that you and she are piece the same bed? Little girl, she older than you. Me know that she couldn't be a mother because she look a bit too young. But at least respect her as a mother. You see what your mother do? Come left you for me. Me, we are man that you know not more girl bikini. Because first of all, looking at you, me not know what to say. Every day you in your phone, me don't know what you do. You can check to a lot man. At night time, if you want to walk around the house, you must check if you loophole in there. You can't only girl bikini. That's why she has your respect. She is the one that will protect you. Me can't protect you. I'm a man, I cannot protect you. Because right now I tell you the truth. If gunman bust through this door here, I say one got to go. You have to pick one out of it one but not me. Because I'm a man. And I cannot take what I'm going to give you.
She.
Listen to me. No, hold on. You have manners to her. Because you see, stepmother like this, they will drop sitting on the tea and go and paralyze you. So if you have manners and respect to them, no matter how bad them be, if they tell me, say, Daddy, send her away. But not having manners to a stepmother, they can do so much to you. They can put in on the food, they can salt on the food, they can cook all the rice, they can swim down the road.
We are talking about you would have sent me away.
No, I don't mean like that. Me I try to show her an example. So if she have a problem, she's hold on, me think we know the name of them chat over. Anyway, that's what I say. If you have a problem, you come to me and start out. You don't want this little fussing and the fighting and the quarrel.
You must teach her to have manners to me, manners and respect.
We just know her.
Whoever hear when people are talk to you,
So when I try to show her, I don't know if chat to pick her.
stand up straight and put the hand them on your side. Where you take this thing from?
Yeah! Show him why woman at the house. If you listen, Talk to her.
Girl, if ever me did bad, me give you some slap. You'd have to run go over child service, make them protect you, hear?
Yeah. So you did one and you couldn't control him. So you make me left when me did dead. Come here and go.
Come here, one beat her and then she got tell like palm it. You know them pick me alive. Next thing you run go to station, go chat to me to this and do that to her.
That's why I'm not telling you. You see, Francis, you come and not tell you that. You see, girl picking you don't turn around them too much. Because you see, when you just know them, they will tell like on you.
You see, if you slip, you slide. You're going to be behind your pee clock, watch you.
Where me my slide? Slide way.
You're going to lick hard. They tell you for now.
You don't lick picking, you punish picking. Picking like a them, you put them in a corner, you turn up on them 1 foot and hold their heels. Till, I could have 6 hours straight.
You're going to punish her then.
Sometimes when you beat Pitney for the wrong, they still do it. Because you know why? You're going to say, cha, not the lick, they will cool off. You give them some hard task. You cook all them food with only for pepper if they don't like pepper. You cook all the food salt. Make them come to you and bars and say, yo, enter you listen. That won't happen. You can't beat Pitney. Look on Ray.
Oh, fit you, him get no flick.
You don't see him lock up him in the house. And as well, him push him back at the girl and pregnant to the girl. So, locking up them in the house don't make no sense neither. Just make sure you tell them one thing. You see me machete, come in with no belly. That machete they don't buy for no reason. You well filed. If you come in here, me I cut out the 2 foot. Me not kill you no. Just 2 foot and the 2 hand. Because you have to carry it. Kind of in there. But anyway, me I go up for the road. You know, you have the things. I help you.
Don't go shop the plate them.
Oh.
Sweet.
Which one?
Sweet.
I'm good things. I don't have much. Oi! I'm here sweet.
Food time, I'm hungry. You know, lock me there. Food.
Look at girl, I'm come in that place. You see food I cook? Where you make up be nice in the place for girl?
A food time. Food for the pan table.
Here, we don't cook nothing like you today. What you feel like? You feel like say you're the boss of me? Or you gonna make me cook when me don't want to cook? You have 2 hands, you're almost 12 years old. And when you're 9, me start cook. You understand? So you must can grow on the stove but help yourself. Me not feel too good. I'm out the door and wash my clothes them. So me know you in your makeup no nice. Skirt in your makeup being nice.
Carry food come.
What is slamming me here knocking that one? Somebody come up here?
No she.
Knock where?
And knock up the table like so she want broke in half. Me don't feel so good. I'm out the door wash my clothes them. She had that good time.
Do you know how this a table here, boy? So how you are beat it down so? Listen me. Beat down for your mother one. When they go look for you. Beat down by table. You know how hard me have to get the contract. Me I won't forget the contract. When your mother did let me never have nothing. Me live in a one little boardhouse cutlass. Anything could have just push it down, come in the palm. So if when the in here, so I'm here alone to slap on this table here. You know, lick on it. I'm tell you, I already said, respect her. So if she wham.
Wash me, wash you know. She about food time. And she know say me I go cook. And me I wash first.
Listen to me. If she do something, you have 2 hands. Make sure you know say your mother gone. Your 2 hands them not gone with your mother. Make sure you know you let you tell your mother and have them pan yourself. And you are 12 as you say. I don't know if you're 12 or you're 48 or 22 or any one of them. But this two of the lesson. You can't burn up yourself.
Exactly.
All you do, you call her, she like this stuff for you. You look more in the thing. The easiest thing you can put a ramen noodle because Jamaican people feed pan. Chinese people now eat ramen noodle. And everybody are really dumb. You know how them build ramen noodle? You know what in a hit? You know see China and yam dog. You know they put a little kind of dog substance in a hit for hold you up. When you see her, respect her. Me can't take stress. So if you come here for stress me out, let me tell you something. Not only the table me will slam. You see, you remember the machine, remember it? You see you well filed when you look at the part of the cut, you see yourself in a hit. Just picture what you can do. Just picture what the machine you can do. Anyway. You want something?
That's something I go look about now.
Me I go up there so me I go right now when you go. Me I go on business card. So
Why?
fix you.
You have no manners, man. Sure.
How you feel like? My papa could have lick me? Me tell you, I'm the boss for you, so and you have to cook that food they give me.
Oh, yeah, try to press my feet, little girl. If you're not stay here, so. Alright, let me show you something. Let me show you something. You talk about how to cook food. Watch this. I leave this place right now. You and your poopa have a Tanya. Right, Jay? Come here.
Why you call up me so?
You don't have no manners. I come check me about how me have to cook food here. Right, me tired of this. Me put up with this enough. Me a leave. When the time come, me come for me some stuff then me gone. No, talk to her. Don't talk to me.
Hello! Hello! Let me tell you something. You come back home to me and me woman I live good. And you take up a little black silk for around my woman. Let me tell you something, little girl. You see you, if you can't cook for yourself, dog, I'm going to get some back. I'm going to How are you doing?
Why, Jay? I don't like what you do with me, you know.
No, listen. You can't do it, you know. You see, if you never dump, you have to too hard. And that mash you up.
Because I'm there, I pick my friend with just one over me.
Yeah, because she want love. You don't want love. You tell me you're your friend and blah, blah, blah. I always say one and your mouth, man. What is it? What did I do that? Of course.
You don't know the situation, I didn't have money, I didn't want.
Yeah, but if you wait for money, you don't have money now, you don't flourish with money. See, that even when me have the money, me not just like me have the money, me still have normal same way, I mean have the money put out.
That's the next place I put me on the side.
No!
What do you mean by no? You put up on the side and make
No,
money,
let
no?
me teach you something. You cannot put it on the side because if you reject me at first, they're going to reject you back. It's like putting a blank CD and then now play, you carry it back at the store. That's how it works. So what you do around here, so by the way?
Come on, I'm going to check.
Oh, you still are walking on a check. Sit down.
Anyway, I see you one time, first time, woman.
Oh.
Crazy.
Oh, I see her over there. So are you tell her where we live? I've never seen smoke without fire.
No, sir. Okay, I mean, we have to exchange a word from here. They way up and way down. So I just say, hey, that's Tracy. Tracy, so I look. Say she.
No, yeah, anyway.
I know she don't remember me.
As somebody around there, I'm going to try and find babysit. You don't know nobody else have babysit.
Yeah, look on her.
Oh.
Me.
How come you never know if you take care of children?
Of course, I love Pitney, you know that.
I have one daughter who never know somebody now. I need somebody to cook for me and take care of him. So if you're willing to take a job, I don't think job alone. Nothing more than the job alone.
So wait, the part where you say you have a daughter, I don't know you have. So how you plant your seed, I don't know which part you plant your seed.
And every time a man go know when time something mark. Because you have some woman, when they're pregnant, they not even know themselves. So, come on, I have an interview to her and please wait. Cut out the vulgar. Straight English. Come on.
How much I pay?
When they put on me, don't worry about that. You're a good place. Alright. Joey! What are you doing there? Sit down, I'm talking to you. If you see me now, We know her for a long time. And if it's too young, make Browning wait. She a go stay here. Yeah, because me know in the look passa with the girl thing. Me no know about nothing with look fitness. So she a go cook for you and you have to watch your own food as a matter of fact. As much as she used to wicked to me first time, I want the person to trust me now. So Mel, don't take care of me, yeah?
Alright, let me do this.
I'm gonna beg you, please, behave yourself. Because I see you rude to Browning, I see you do all some things there to Browning. If I did some other woman, then it a long time. What is so rude to put me? Get up, me talk to me now. Go on. Listen to me now. And I'll take you back here, feel you can't leave here, you know. You just a help out a situation and I'm paying you. Because you know, so me and your friend done be already. And just pack look a bit of clothes and cool off the vibes because you can't stand my daughter.
Alright, sir.
So, you're not really stay, you just all come and go. A matter of fact, you just all come and go.
So I can't stay.
No. You just all come and go. You come in the morning, you look for breakfast, you look for lunch, you look for dinner. When it takes night time, you can go back home.
Alright, sir.
I want to go and look at your for lunch.
Look, girl, listen to me now. Listen to me now. I'm in control, you know. I'm in control you. You understand? You just a come. You don't know nothing.
Matafa, who your mother? First of all, which part of your own in here? And mother name Tracy, what your problem?
Oh, wait. It's Tracy. Rasta Tracy.
She's your money, you know her?
I'm a friend that man. Welcome, but I'm still control and rule you. Anyway, we'll go something go. But me but I'm a good friend still. Me sure a good friend. Welcome again. But as me say, I'm yes, I'm a control in here. Now we'll go something for you. So how was lunch?
Macaroni and cheese. You call that cook? You call that lunch?
Of course, it's still whatever they don't. So how it is, and I have been judge of it.
You see it's good.
How you can't just take your eyes. So we have the first idea. Hear me now. Give me the eyes.
I'm going to ask you a question. Which one am I doing?
I think.
No, listen. You don't lock my door unless I mean you lock my door. Yeah? You prepare something, yeah?
Yeah, we'll go on
Yeah, you alright, right? Try to let that yard there. Don't go on the road. I don't know about girl bikini, but all the children never go on the road. Girl, yeah, you can have it.
Alright.
I don't know what you allergic to that for coming alone. The shrimp, the lobster, the steak, the pork. That's all.
Everything, yes, it.
And Mark, do not cook all the food because you love food. You love
Cool
food.
down.
Yeah, but you need to every minute. Watch out. Okay, I'm going to see where I fish. And we will not get any up on the road. Well, you can't leave at 6 o'clock. No, you know how late hours get you have no excuse.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
You're watching mustn't be leader. I'm in charge. I'm in charge. When you gonna watch?
You watch the show?
Watch.
Someone spell way apple.
You know, I cook some chicken soup.
Oh, I come from. Video to do a chat to me, mother come phone.
You really have to go to the office talk to your mother? So you could talk to her in the house?
No, a private matter, I have to talk to her out the door.
I work in so private, but anyway, I'm in a business now, that's still a form of business.
Anyways, you never know about that still. But my mother the new year come, so when you come, you have to go outside.
I hear father house still, so I'm not going to talk anything we say.
Mel, you can step outside and talk to mother, please.
Sure. You got that, so.
Good girl. Give me the details. You find no will? Nothing? What you find?
Like I want stingy man, you know, because you can't find nothing, not even $1.
You need to find the will and try making sign over everything to you because you know what happened.
What happened, mommy? What really happened?
My daughter, I don't know how I go tell you this enough, but I have to really tell you.
Mommy, you talking right? Make me scared for you come up with.
My daughter, here what happened? You see Jay? He's not your real father.
Mommy, I joke you make, not joke. I must joke you make.
My daughter, as me say, him not your real father. But him a Mr. Perfect man. Me come back to claim all of what me used to spend on him.
But mommy, you're not afraid somebody hear this.
My daughter, as long as you play the game good and get the will for the house, we not get caught.
Mommy, I go try, you know. But you see me over there, she enough. And you look like my daddy in a business too.
Me not think so. Because a girl who used to run up and down in the yard when she lily, that's impossible, my daughter.
That's how you think, mommy. But you see what me see and what you think.
Alright?
Me never call it. Oh, you come in.
I just come in. Because I feel the same mother does, you know. Plus, the mother can soup for that. I'm packed them up. So, how are your mother talk about?
Nothing. I just girl stuff. Anyway, I come in. Woo.
Alright.
Next time I question you.
Hey.
Oh boy. So what happened now?
Yeah.
You not cook?
No.
Oh, I see. So what this soup for me yesterday, man?
You done? You better pop bottom in there.
You want to tell me say the whole pot of soup where you say I make from morning done?
Exactly, from morning. All the time.
Anyway, I'm not going to do that. I don't want to say my picnic eat and thing. I see more maybe eat out of the thing, but she come, she does a eat, no one else.
Maybe actually she love me cooking for your cooking never too delicious for her. You know?
She'll be by herself though.
Yeah, she'll be
That's all I want. But anyway, I'm going to lay down because I have a hard day today. What are you feeling for?
No.
No man, it seems like something about you now.
No man, go on.
A matter of fact, we never get the time to discuss it here. So I'm going to tell you something now.
Hold on. Yeah.
Alright, so here I go. Is it true you're not going to sleep here? Well, the minimum wage, I'm not charge you double behind that, so we can only give like maybe 13 to 14,000 a week.
Turn us a 30.
I wish man in Jamaica you see people that pay 30,000 for hotel. A week. Me look white to you.
Remember say you pick me and I pick me and take care and look after you think could that happen?
Back up. When you say mine, you know, I feel the things I feed her, and I know your things I feed her. You see, if you did buy the food I give her, and I buy the food I cook, I get 30,000 a week, yes? And if you did a flush all the time, so we get up our fight, yeah, that would include the 30,000, but...
You can't do it, no, you're experience of it.
I still not pay that because in Jamaica, you never see a housekeeper get more than maybe 12,000 or 13,000 a week.
That's what I'm saying. Alright.
Nobody not come here.
No. Who will come in?
No, that's what I know because girl picking boy picking can't come here, anybody can't come here. No. I'm gonna rest my brain because right now,
Well, Andy,
what problem?
you know, so between me and you look so-called daughter of yours and of your pitney.
Put that word back down your mouth.
Yeah, me I tell you of your
No,
pitney.
listen to me. I know me hear you guitar. Man, I don't hear you get my pitney. You know how hard I work for the mother over the years and get that the child. You can't tell me say no my pitney.
And him a work hard for robbing you.
When they talk about that, that's a lie.
Yeah. The day you might come up today, no, when you never there. Today. And they say, I go to do because they want them private. So I go to do, I take that squeeze out right, that's on the fridge. Turns out, she and your daughter.
No, when me try to understand this thing. Man, when I say anything come out of here, me can't believe it.
But this is one of truth.
Man, the last time you make me home and left me because I lied, right? So how you expect me to believe that? Remember say when you're young, you used to run for over here, one time you run for the woman, sometimes they come to me and they say, feel like come like you're afraid of fall. So how you are come?
The little girl and your pitney, the woman plan to come back to take revenge. Right?
I don't believe nothing what you say.
Alright. Alright.
The amount of lie what you tell me, man, let me add them up
But the one are real, me I tell you you real. The girl and your pitney.
Listen. Those people keep trying to make nobody hear what you say out in your mouth.
Okay.
Because I feel me pitney that.
Okay.
And me so that they see that.
Alright.
So if you come here for work, you come here for work. Loud and out and hit.
Are you sure you see but a different man see that? One, go on, go down, you see, go down, one.
Me your friend, you know.
So that's why me I tell you the truth.
Joey! Joey!
Call him. Call her. Because it seems like I like me I tell him.
You see, we can't take stress and problem, you know.
How
Me
much
young and me look like me old. Me a young boy, me young. Joey! You see?
Yes, Daddy.
What we have to make it take so long for you answer?
Can I use the battery?
Anyway, I ask you some questions. You know what you tell me no lie. Your mother come over here today?
Yes.
You run out, she out of the house, talk to your mother privately?
Yes, Daddy.
Where you and your mother they talk about privately? Don't tell me no lie.
Girl stuff.
What you call girl stuff? Anything we mention teeth or anything differently?
You know, like, what girl see your mom?
I'm not going to go further. So now, you know. So all you tell me say my daughter and about Rob and boy say you me and your father and blah blah blah. Me don't understand this. You sure little girl?
Sure.
Man, me tell you say I want to lie, you know. You can never trust a girl.
Lad, me. I better say I will regret. I bet you. Alright.
Me, regret. Man, the amount of lie you tell me tell you already, you know. The amount of lie you tell me, if you can't go to a shop, go sell me make money. Just like when you can pint back go to a shop, go make money out of it. And see, you know, plastic back class sell for $1 now. And the amount of me see on the roadside, they say, if one people is smart and just take them up and bag them up, you could make money, $1 million back or $1 million that. Anyway, look girl, one back the way you do, yeah? And next time, when the mother come over here, you know, if you come over here just and for, wait, me not know the murder. We call them murder. And call for, if you call me first. Because if you left here for 6 years, you're not supposed to come back here until the 6 year open me up, put out a clot. So, you go on, sorry for the exclusive language, but we don't think clot about it, but go on. Go on back. Go use the toilet, and you know. Please, Nabila, not tell them the lie that in my house. Else no we charge your feet.
Alright, sir.
Oh, me I'll lay down still. Go on where you do.
Ouch.
Hello, maid. I'm hungry.
who you're ranking yourself with. Listen to me now, little girl. I know your father long before you were born. So if you want to talk about your hungry, come to me, Papa. Manners, you hear me? And don't rank yourself with me. Me I should play them, then go look for something to cook for you. Alright.
Your job is to make sure say me eat when me hungry. But now me hungry and now do your job, so that means you're not fair, yeah.
You can't eat part of the plate. Wait till me I do. Hand swap up now. You can't eat part of the plate. You go in the sober car wherever you come from, you go sit down and you go wait. Because I now cook and all the plate and like you help me wash them. But I have one in. You know I see your face.
Oh, one more thing. You're trying to be the bigger boss. Watch this. Daddy!
I'm going to tell Papa. Just watch you. You can see.
Daddy!
What problem? What problem? What problem?
Ask my father name, Carla.
She don't fit there, you know. She don't.
Why is she not there?
Me hungry and he not give me nothing for yam. And
You
he
ready
say
to eat? Nothing yam.
he say I go kill it 2 hours too. Say I go put poison in their food and I give me and kill it 2 hours.
What kind
And I tell her say to run around their house.
Mel, you really have to me.
I am going to believe your so-called daughter when just say.
I feel me blood.
No, you make me have to laugh. Listen to me, she come in here with her attitude, right? So she hungry, want to pay something for her feet. And I said to her that she have to wait because the plates are dirty, right? So I know where she go call and tell her, well, wicked and nice.
Come here to me. Come here to me.
I see you when you're hungry.
She tell the truth or she tell lie?
She tell lie.
I ask her one more time. She tell the truth or she tell lie?
Talk the truth.
She tell lie.
Well, I tell the truth, I don't know what to believe. Because first thing, you used to tell me lie back then.
And you keep on bringing up my past.
Because the past I keep on ringing in my head no matter what.
But me I
matter
tell
what
the truth, what
happens.
she do, she don't have no manners.
It's just like when the Prime Minister promised you I want 100 chicken. And then when they win, we still remember it, but we are here that we still have to go vote same way. Counting we are going to get the same way. 8 years we are going to 100 chicken.
You can't find.
Man, I don't think me work with them no longer.
Yes.
I don't think me go work with them no longer. Because if anybody mention nothing about pies and food, I don't like the idea that.
He say 2 hours happy dead.
You laugh.
I think, well, listen. Let's see what they've done, watch them play. I'm begging them. Just go on. Me can't manage the politics right now.
That is not a problem to me, you know. Because we can take your daughter.
When do you know?
She don't have no manners and she like it. Yesterday, I open up to him and say your name, my name, pa. We are weapon. We are
When you
weapon.
come up on that again, me I'll feel
I be said
it.
to just because me I tell us I say I'll kill me. You want you to kill me first before you kill.
Yeah, we kids girl like her.
Well, when me ask that question now, you really feel me don't believe a friend over my picnic?
You should have believed me can know me before she.
Yeah.
Your so-called picnic.
No, it's my child. You might say my child and my child, but you want me I say no.
It's my father.
Surprise.
You tell me lie back in the past. Enough time. I mean, rapidly, till you are set up me and my woman to the left.
No, that's not no. Without have my reason why I do that.
This is why you really know to tell lies. Say, I know, feel me pick me.
Because I truth. The man try to rob you. The woman that try to get back revenge. When I understand, you're not talking truth.
He never did talk about that day. He might talk about when you say I go kill it all.
I will kill you for truth.
Man, I wait the job knife of one pick me. Man, let me come back and serious.
It's vehicles. It's vehicles. Alright. I might pay the official. What am I saying? It's alright, but wait. Wait, mine. For me, you want pay, I might pay them for true.
Yes! Yes! You say don't tell about.
Wait here,
Oi.
not here.
I'm only looking for pay your payment. But guess what? Me not no cash for me right now in my
So
house.
I'll make it my pay. Say, what me I pay me?
So this is what me I gonna do. Me I gonna transfer a money to your account. So you see right now, Just go on through my door until we contact you.
Billy, alright.
Listen, me not run them joke eh.
Yes, when the choke, what in the dark must come to light. When the choke come out, I call me phone.
Listen, me?
See you? But me not buck you.
Just go on through my door. Hello. You now, come here, sir. You are the start, wash up the plate then. You are the start, cook your own food. Anything you want, you cook it. Cause guess what, daddy can't cook.
Dad, I can't cook.
Hungry and yam your backside.
Mommy. And off my phone this year, daddy phone. But I delete out back your number out there when I do. Anyways, I can't find you on my check. Mommy later, you have to come over here.
You should hang up. Should hang up. Anyways, I need to come to. You have to take us past school. You have to see. Oh, so true you think you get rid of me, you think you're a woman. You don't get rid of me yet. Understand? Where for them? Come to me pay. What happened? How did I shut the phone? What happened to the business? Where for them?
In the year.
More pay. You know, let's pay you for me. No. No.
Wait.
Excuse me there.
But what are we never there?
What happened now? What did matter? I'm not tell us we're going to transfer your money to you.
We can't wait.
Listen to me, man. I will come to kill my daughter.
Yes, you still believe your so-called daughter?
Man,
You still believe?
but you're not supposed to come over here for me tell you the last time you know, to come.
Once I pay me daughter, come over here and get me pay.
Listen, let me tell you something. Yes, when me tell you to make a transfer of money, you have to believe in me. And I like you, I tell a lie.
You believe I'm here to listen to your pity? You dry it in here.
Listen, man. But we sue your feet and everybody else we can't sue your feet.
So we tell you the truth.
How you sure if I'm my picnic?
I'm here too.
Which part you can't hear them?
Me hear the truth. Yes, not tell the truth. Me say, when he mad.
But that's what we have did before. Give me phone. Give me phone. Listen what me I say now. You are mischief carrier and you are lion and you are set up. So you want me to get rid of my daughter now because you brought him back up and gone because you think say yeah, get rid of my daughter, you can come back in my place for live and take over my whole house.
You say that.
Let me ask you this thing now. Am I will have money you want? Oh, I did shake your head.
You mean that she want money, mama?
No.
Yes, you know, me say, when that must come true, light. Alright.
Look at the girl. You see, me tell you, that's what I always tell you, say no. You see, from you come here, I pay misery. You make the woman left here, no matter how I call her for me, I know exactly where she there. You create problem, you come like a she right now.
Me? Me dangerous man.
So your money you come from?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Me have your account number, don't worry.
I'm money if you take out on your phone.
You don't understand technology, yeah?
How can I understand? Me are you? You see how you?
You say no week repair then.
Alright, me go and check my phone. And my account. I'm just out of the money. You don't know. You see how you? What in that must come true? Light.
Don't worry, when things come through like that current, you should have put it down for them everything what come through it. You know. Just peaceful with you in this house here. We beg you to go water or salt water. When we tell about salt, you know to pull on salt. Look girl, listen. God no. Can't take it stress. We can't play them and wash. Nothing to do. I bet you them from where you go from man? Where you call about something? You think cooking that boiled egg. You have made boiled egg, right?
Mm-hmm.
And you crack the egg before you put it in the pot. What kind of style that? Eh? What kind of style that? You think that's how egg boil?
Before putting in the pot, fry egg.
Listen, I fry the car boil. No boil, see boil. Then the white Mr. Pluck out I shell like a cracky. I was an egg boil. You put in a water. Why, you know, when you get a cooking skill and from, you're 12-year-old, you see, I'm 7-year-old I cook. I'm big old 12-year-old I kind of can't cook. I don't what the fuck. You find me come and never say take up. Come out of the kitchen. Don't come back in the kitchen for the rest of the week. Do not come back in this kitchen. If you put your foot back in the kitchen, then burn up it. Two minutes, go in the room. Go in the room and don't come back out of the room. Try lock the door and push the key to the window and I come in. Backside.
Mommy, I tell you the truth. I don't find nothing. I look for top, bottom. I don't see no paper where I talk about no writing on your no signature or nothing. I'm finding my money on $50.
Listen, you need to find it quick before him find out say you are not film pitney, because if them do a DNA, you're doomed.
But mommy, it's hard to find.
Oh, I'm a film pitney. So all along you come here, I be a liar tell. If me name come from me close them, I would hear truth. I say you wicked.
Listen me come back for my revenge because I did me and Jay first, and why never come back and look for me before him pick you up?
Listen me don't know you. And my friend introduced me to Jay, right? And even she come back and look him when him have money. Right? We hear how the girl dirty. So me don't know you and you don't know me. So I don't know where you come and talk about, right? But all me know say Jay is a good man and he's a wicked woman, right?
Listen to me, young miss. Make me teach you something. If you and a man together, and then because you are finance everything for him, and so on, and it's like him no one feel like say you're more than him, and in at the end, him just feel like him want break free and let everything go. What you would have do at the end of the day?
Listen me. You should just sit down and talk to him, because he's a man who love work. And if you sit down and talk to him, you will understand him, right? Because even when me and him there, he never have nothing. I'm telling him, say, look here, go look at work. And he see it, then go look at work. So you should just talk to him before you go do that day. Because I hit me with a do, right?
Well, you're kind of right still.
Alright, boy. You come back.
If me never come back, I would hear the truth. See if I tell him everything where you just tell me, say.
What? What?
She have something to tell her, say. Listen for her.
She say what now?
Well, Joey, I know yours, you know. But
You know me figure it out. Come here, look, me a look, dear, you put me there, give me chop, me a look on and I say, this is me I'm gonna go in my. You give me too much headache, you look burn too much salt in my water when me a drink. So what make you tell me that for me picking the lowest and of my picking?
well, me just did want my revenge, you know, because all this time I'm me I take care of you, and know that you get rich and have your money, me no see a dollar. You know, you're not even come find me and say, make me give you a thing. You know business about me.
Seriously, for true, that's right, but when you left, I'm glad because somebody tells me I want to work for myself. You know, I want to go because you think to me about work of the place. Why when a man say they want to work and woman just want to stay here? I don't like it. But if I did money, I probably should just fight and tell me, say, alright, give me back the money we spend for him. But I just double it up.
Well, since that's what you say, how you double it up still, then double it up now, but she can still stay.
No. Can't have it. Do. Me packing go back, can't come. Do. You can't take the pressure. But me will double it up. What's in it to your account?
Alright, double it up.
Yeah. I'm glad you come here. Why you gotta screw up your face now?
To come here and tell her, say. Me know, say, from the first day she come in, me just so many rat.
Yeah, you did right, but remember so they have mess with a woman, you know, man, and sometimes you know, use nothing sweet, look sweet water could have been push out, but me know me didn't come.
But they would have hear me out.
No, me think of bad mind, because me get to a picnic and give me no.
Bad mind me be. Remember say me did them for you when you never have nothing and me help you through. So how me fi bad mind you?
So you give me one now?
We can work on it.
No, no, you know. Yeah, you have reached the end of the movie, so tell me what you think. Should I do part 3? If you said do part 3, I will do part 3 as quick as possible because part 3 can be a big twist, just like how part 2 have a twist in it. We can do part 3 with a twist where it's gonna be a good ending result, where I don't want to give you too much information, where I would be mad out. But me now will tell you why I'm mad out. You'd have to tell me if you want part 3, and I will show you what perfect man is behind the sheet doing.